Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's jump right into it. Today, find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. By taking a closer look at the hourly time frame for Bitcoin, the price went down only slight by about 1.3% in the last 24 hours and has a current price of 23,418. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 100 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 23,455. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. For longer price development, the daily time frame should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 23,499. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 44, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 23,392, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 23,493 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 23,546. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and the trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Jumping to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 48, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and the pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.